Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Latoya Ebony. If you like natural hair care, fashion, and vlogs, listen, this is the place to be. Go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when my next video comes out. Especially if you got type 4 hair and you like to have a little swag too, this is it. I'm gonna be trying the Twaid out today, and I hate saying that word, Twaid. I just want to say trade, or like, I don't know what I want to say, but it's not Twaid out, okay? It's essentially where you braid your hair halfway down and then twist it at the ends. And this seems like it might be a godsend for me because I hate taking out braids. Like imagine, like just the ends, and they always get messed up on me. Like it always is super defined and then super fluffy at the ends. I don't like that. So this could be an amazing solution. I know that I am late to the game, but it's okay. We're gonna start now. Welcome back to the past. My hair is very dry. I washed it, conditioned it, everything last night, detangled, but it is dry right now. So I'm going to be using this water bottle to re-moisten my hair. And I am kind of trying to finish up a few things. This is a leave-in conditioner from Kinky Curly. The Melanin Hair Care Multi-Use Softening Leave-In Conditioner. I also have a moisturizer. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it or not, but here it is. This is the Melanin Twist Elongating Style Cream. I'm keeping this on standby, and if I use it, I think it's gonna be a very, very small amount. I may not even need it though. And the star of the show will be the Hair Rules Wavy Mousse. It's my first time trying a Twaid out, and I'm gonna see if I can make this as painless as possible. At this point, my hair is already washed and conditioned. It is detangled already, but I'm actually gonna go a little further into detangling because I wanna make sure that the outcome is as uniform and as smooth as it can possibly be. So I prefer to start in the back. You can start wherever you like. My hair is a little damp. However, I'm going to make sure I moisten it up with more water. This mister you can get from Amazon. I will definitely make sure to link it down below. And you'll see me going through the rest of my leave-in conditioners, just switching one out for the other. Before I detangle, I really like to make sure that my hair is as malleable as possible. So I am adding more water, conditioner, and just making sure that I don't coat it too heavily, but when I detangle with the comb, it's not going to break, essentially. I'm going through each section and I'm applying that leave-in conditioner. And then once those sections are separated and moisturized, I'll take those clips and pin them up again until I'm ready to work on the back. And these are my 3 sections that I'll be working with, but of course we're gonna break it up. I like to take my wide tooth comb and just very gently and sloppily part my hair because I actually don't like very straight parts. And here I'm using as much of this leave-in conditioner up as possible and applying a little bit more to the lengths of my hair because they did still feel a little dry. Taking a wide tooth comb and working from the ends to the roots to detangle this hair as much as possible. Then we have our mousse. You can use a mousse of your choosing. I will link this down below. I got this off of Amazon, but you can also go to hairrules.com. And starting with that braid from the base, bringing it down to about the middle, maybe a little more. So this is the Hair Rules mousse that I'm going to be using. You can use any mousse that you like, but I will make sure to link this down below. And I'm going to begin the braid and twist process. Okay, so I have braided down as far as I think I should go, and then I am just going to twist the rest. I'm gonna add a little bit more mousse. This mousse, I really enjoy using this mousse. I hope it works out for me. And I'm just gonna twist my hair to the ends. This makes me feel like I should put some type of perm rod or something on the end, but nope, we're gonna try it the old-fashioned way. Just a twist, and hopefully, ooh, that actually looks pretty good. Hopefully this works out. And I think what I'm trying to do is just make sure I'm not borrowing from each section while I do this. And I'm probably gonna do this last one on this side and then bring you guys to the front so you can get a better view of what I'm doing. All right, again, I'm gonna detangle my hair, put that mousse on it, of course, layering on top of those moisturizers, braiding about halfway down, maybe a little more, and then twisting the ends. All right, so I'm at the front now. The most important thing I've done so far is I've taken this braid right here and I've put it down the middle so that I don't have this weird part. Let me show you. I'm being kind of lazy today. I hate taking out braids, so I feel like this is a good compromise, you know? And I have something to do in the morning and I need to be very, very quick, so I couldn't afford to do a bunch of small braids. However, I didn't want that gap in the middle, so this one's going down the back to protect the gap. And then I think I'm just gonna do 2 simple braids here because the hair here is so much less dense than the rest of my hair. So these braids are probably gonna turn out looking about the same size as the rest of them, even though it looks like it's taking up more surface area of my scalp. So I'm gonna do that. So far I have been trying to squeeze out the rest of this leave-in and this leave-in and then just topping it with the mousse, but it does feel like I might have to dip into this one toward the front. We shall see. Okay, I feel like we have to talk about what just went down. So I was kind of nervous of just doing a regular braid because I did want some crinkle effect at the top here. So what I did was I did like a very poor French braid. I'm not really a braider, I'm not gonna lie. So I have like some of the braids starting here, going down, and then ending in a twist. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. surprisingly, I don't think this took that long. Let me give you guys a little bit of a close-up look of what it's looking like. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 Twaids. Oh my God. Twaid is such a weird, I get it. It's a twist and a braid. I get it. So I've got 9 of them. And what I'm gonna do, I pretty much finished up these products and I didn't touch this one. My son's hair loves this. So, you know, I was gonna try it on my hair again, see if I change my mind about it, but I just used this in the mousse. So just these 3 products. Happy to say I finished these up, and I think what I'm gonna do is take a little bit more mousse. I do this to my son's hair all the time. And I'm just going to put some, you know, a little bit on there, and then I'm gonna tie it down with a satin scarf just to see if I can get those little flyaways to squish down. And I think, yeah, I'm gonna take the scarf underneath all of the twists. And then tonight I'm probably gonna put a bonnet over this just to protect my ends, but technically I do sleep on a silk pillowcase, so I don't have to. So we'll just see. And today I'm not wearing any foundation, so this is kind of good. I can just like wash my eyebrows off and be good. All right, so I will see you guys in the morning very, very early. Hopefully there's enough sun out because I have to leave for the little event. It's gonna be cute. I'll show you guys what it looks like in the morning. Welcome back. It is morning and I have to hurry up and take these out. Oh my goodness. All right. So far so good, looking nice and smooth the way I like it. Normally in the past, I would slather my hands with oil in order to take it down to prevent frizz. Yeah, I don't think I have a problem with frizz. It's so funny, like when you start just questioning things that you did in the past. Now I will say though, oil gives a nice shine, so I am not opposed to it. But the reasoning, I don't care so much. Okay, so far so good. Hey, I literally have to use a mirror to look because, y'all, I don't know, maybe I could feel it out, but I should probably just stop talking so that I could speed this along. So I think I'm gonna do that. I've got one more to take out. Is it one more or 2 more? One more to take out. It has been approximately like 8 minutes. So I feel like we're doing really good on time. I need to be out of here in like 10 minutes. So thank God I'm already all dressed. Let's see. Come on. Yes, we are finally done. Oh wait, no we're not. There's one more. Psych. Thought you had a friend. Hold on. My inclination is to separate the hell out of this. I'm not gonna lie. I really like big hair. I'm like having an existential crisis right now. But I know that if I separate it, like, okay, so here's the thing. Loving that I did this in, oh, let me just show you guys, duh.
Now the reason people do braid outs is because they like that definition, but there is another benefit, and that is length. And I'm feeling like the braid and the twist is giving a little bit of both. I feel like this is definitely the solution to my problem because I hate taking out braids, like literally hate. But this is very easy, and I'm getting more fullness than I would with just a straight old plain braid out. Zoe! Okay, Zoe, what is this? Okay. Okay, I thought the seborrheic dermatitis was acting up again. Okay, but no, it's good. I do feel like I should have just done like 2 separate braids here so that I didn't have to deal with the frizziness happening here, and my ends probably would have turned out better, but it did give the fullness that I like. So, I mean, I really just wanna, I don't know, we looking a little too church today, but you know what, it's fine. I wanna separate you. Should I? Yes. Yes. Do it. Do it. You guys know that meme? Do it. I think you should treat yourself. Do it. Okay, I'm not gonna go overboard. I'm just gonna brush just so we have the natural hair separated a bit. We're gonna leave those edges natural because y'all know I am not obsessed with smoothing down my edges. However, I'm not against it. I'm just not trying to. Okay, I can't help myself. I'm gonna separate a little. No, I'm ruining it. Okay, leave it, leave it. This is what happens in my head every time I do my hair. The struggle, like seriously. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let Mother Nature take over and let it shrink up and do what it do, and let it puff up and do what it do. I hope there's a little bit of humidity today because that's what I need in my life right now. Like, I really just want to put this back in a ponytail because, ooh, what if I clipped it back a little bit? Like, I don't like middle parts. Oh my God, I'm looking too church. Ciao. Okay, just leave it, leave it. That concludes my video for the day. I'm probably gonna like just do this a little bit until I feel comfortable with it, but I feel like the Twaid out, it could use some tweaking from me. Definitely it could. I can always improve, but I'm feeling like it's a winner. It's a winner. And you know what else helped me? That trim that I did. I did a flat iron and trim on my hair, so if you are wondering how that looked and how that turned out and how I got to this point of having a good experience separating my twist or my Twaid out, check out that video here. And if you're interested in fashion, go ahead and check out my spring fashion haul here. And subscribe, okay? Check me out on Instagram as well. I love you all. I'll see you in a couple days, okay? I got too much on my mind. This is always looking good though, okay? Love you. Mwah.